Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start walk around video today. I'm down here in the West Bottoms, Kansas City. It's about 14 degrees out with the wind chill. A mile away from the shop, truck's driven a little bit. It's ice cold. Training's got some temp, truck's still cold. But yeah, we've got an 04 F250 one owner truck, extended cab Lariat short bed, 6.0 Powerstroke. CX dark shadow gray metallic paint, which is that nice gunmetal gray color. Lariat leather, heated seats, power everything, no rips or tears. WeatherTech floor mats, really nice one owner truck. My God, it's cold out today. Miles are 188,221. Like I said, motor's cold, trans is warm. Truck fires up, runs amazing, no check engine lights, no issues. Real nice one owner stock rig. This truck is stock. Has factory head bolts, EGR still intact, stock exhaust, everything is dealer maintained, factory stock. Really nice truck. Kind of the way we like to get them most of the time. One owner and stock is always a good sign. Loaded up, power adjustable pedals down here for the feet, 4-wheel drive, hot heat. I can't personally say I've checked the AC due to the cold temperatures we've been having in Kansas City. It blows cold, but it's freezing outside, so is what it is there. Radio works well. Didn't have any issues with it. Yep. Got a nice set of aftermarket trailer brakes in down there too, little controller, cup holder, good condition, nice and clean, everything works. It's a really nice truck, and it's got the jumper seat too, so we do have seat belts for 6 in this truck, even though it is a little extended cab. Tinted the windows. You know, we put our little razzle dazzle on it that we do down here at 816 Diesel. We converted the headlights, and you'll see the other video. I don't know if you've seen it yet, but Ryan actually did a conversion video how we do these headlight swaps. So we got the Harley Davidson headlights, tinted windows. We did the 2008 and up power heated mirrors that are fully paint to match and clear coated, done professionally. We did a nice set of fender flares. The truck does have a little bit of rust. It's not horrid. There's just a couple little patches on the bed, and we did the fender flares, cleaned it up, killed the rust, put that preventative rust spread on it. What is that stuff called? Like Permatex. And then we put the fender flares on. So there's a tiny bit on this truck, nothing crazy. But other than that, we are rocking a 20x12 Cali Off-Road Rawkon in their graphite clear coat finish. So the wheels almost match the paint identically. But oh, they're gonna make me do it. We got the overhead that says 18 degrees, and that does not have the wind chill factor. The truck actually just went in the high idle. I don't know if you can hear that. Idling at about 950 RPMs to warm this bad boy up. So let's hop out under the hood and take a look and see what's going on with the truck. Like I said, it's stock, so there's not a whole lot to look at under the hood. My train buddy's coming. You can hear him. Hadn't been cleaned up or anything. Good coolant level. Nice soft pliable hose. Zero blow by whatsoever. Nice stock truck. Napa Legend batteries. Not a lot more to show you under there. Give me a second. I'm trying to put my hoodie on, stay warm here. Okay, so stock front end, like I said, we did retrofit the 05 Harley Davidson clear corner headlights in there. 08 mirrors, paint to match fender flares, CX dark shadow gray metallic. There's this wheel I was telling you about. You've seen us do these wheels in flat black, and I do have the center caps. They are in the center console, but I leave them off so we can put it in 4-wheel drive, so when you come check out the truck you can test it. Amp 35 1250 20 terrain gripper tire. Truck's leveled 3 inches. Looks real nice. Factory running boards, factory keypad there. All in all, there's not a lot of damage or dents or dings to point out. Like I said, a couple of your typical little flat panel rust spots on the bed there that we grinded them out, sanded them down, put the Permatex in there. Now we do have, truck has a little bit of bedliner color match down here. And it looks like the door's been touched up or something. I mean, this truck had some rust. It probably, I mean, it sure still has rust. And it also was set up to pull a camper shell on the bed. And that's what it was used for. So yeah, there's a little rust down there. It's been undercoated. I don't like to lie about my vehicles or mislead anybody, so I tried to show you guys. Oh, it's so cold out here, good lord. So there's some rot. They're not completely gone, but there is some rot on them, on these rails. You can see it. They are rusty, they're not perfect. And I noticed you did see those airbags down there too. So yeah, this truck had the big old camper, deluxe special camper on it. So you got tie downs on the rear bumper. You got the guards on the front for balancing. Smoke the tail lights, smoke the third brake LED. It has a nice upgraded draw tite. Looks like a brand new hitch. So I mean, this bad boy is set up to tow. A new draw tite hitch, all new wiring. Never had a fifth wheel or a gooseneck, so strictly a camper truck. And I want you to see the inside of this bed. It still has clear coat and shines on the bed. I mean, it's probably had a camper on it its entire life is my guess, but the bed looks unused. Tiny bit of rust right there. And a tiny bit there, probably where the point's sat for the weight, but other than that, heck of a looking bed, I'll tell you that. Stock exhaust. It is the FX4 off-road package, so you got the upgraded skid plates, the 373 limited slip. Got a sliding rear window on her. Same thing on this side. A little bit of rust surfacing on the rocker. Cab corner has been bedlinered. The rest of the truck is underbodied. Should give you a nice feel for the underbody condition. Heated seats over here. Like I said, it does have the WeatherTech floor liners. Extra seat belt in the middle there. All in all, very nice, clean truck as far as the cab goes here. I don't see any rust on the fascia. Yeah, you guys know the drill. Cool trucks usually sell fast. Head on over to our website right now, 816diesel.com. Check us out. Pictures, VIN number, pricing. Oh, the train's coming. I'm gonna hop back inside the truck because I can't feel my fingers. Didn't wear any gloves, not a smart move. Oh, let's crank the heat. 816diesel.com. Sorry, guys. Whew. Head on over to the website. VIN number, pictures, pricing, anything and everything you need is going to be found on the website. My contact information's on there. My cell phone is 913-735-3748. Call me, text me, I don't care, day or night. Let me know if you're interested, if you want to come check it out. We're down here in downtown Kansas City, Missouri. We're available 6 days a week. We are by appointment only, so shoot me a text or give me a call and let me know what works for you, but we're pretty flexible. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching the video. And let us know what you think about the gray on gray. If you like it, if it's ugly, we're always curious to get that feedback. So thanks guys, have a good one.